Researchers have known for decades that olive oil consumption can help lower cardiovascular disease risk, but its associations with other causes of mortality, death, is less clear. Now, new research has shown the connection between olive oil and longevity. Today's video will discuss olive oil and longevity. Can it help you live longer? Here are some of the main findings regarding the connection between olive oil and longevity. Higher olive oil intake, more than half a tablespoon per day, was associated with 19% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. People who consumed more olive oil had a 17% lower risk of cancer mortality. High intake also led to 29% lower risk of neurodegenerative disease, and 18% lower risk of respiratory disease. When participants replaced 10 grams, about 1 tablespoon, of margarine, butter, mayonnaise, and dairy fat with the equivalent amount of olive oil, they were found to have between 8% and 34% lower risk of death during the study. How to add olive oil to diet. Why is olive oil good for longevity? Olive oil has been shown to help fight oxidative stress, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, insulin resistance, and inflammation affecting the arteries. It can also support healthy levels of good HDL cholesterol, skin health, brain health, and even a healthy gut microbiome. Here are some simple ways to add more to your diet. Aim for about 1 to 3 tablespoons per day of 100% olive oil for the most health benefits. Use this oil as a dip and for making salad dressings, dips and marinades. For a quick and healthy dressing, combine it with several tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and a small amount of Dijon mustard. Because virgin olive oil doesn't stand up to high heat very well, only cook with it at low temperatures. Add some to your pan when sautéing vegetables or making eggs. Top veggies, rice or whole grains with a bit of olive oil. You can also roast, grill, sauté or steam vegetables, and then add seasoning and olive oil when they're finished cooking. Using extra virgin olive oil in pesto, hummus, spreads, and raw soups, or to finish off pizza, pasta dishes, and soups after they're done cooking. Are you going to add olive oil to your diet? Let me know in the comments section below.